Hi everyone, I'm Clever. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for 5 subscribers. Subscribe and like our videos and click the little bell icon to receive notifications about our new videos. I just love nature. Do you? I thought you liked nature. I really love nature. Oh, look at all the clovers. Did you say clovers? Hi, I'm Puff. I'm a new member of the show. Don't forget to subscribe. I love nature. Come on, let's explore nature. I love how the leaves sound. Crunch, crunch, crunch. It's a blackberry plant. One day we'll grow into a blackberry bush. Do you think so? Yeah, I think so too. Come on. Into the hole. Into the hole. Save me. Someone's in trouble. We better hurry. Just playing you. Jibber. Yeah. I'm Sammy. Peekaboo. Oh, you see me because of my yellow. Can you see my tail? You found it! It blended with the clovers. It was a fun time. Yeah, certainly. And now it's time to go home. We're going to be going home. Thanks for going on the nature walk with us. See you real soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.